Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to increase volume on Audacity. For example, you can see I'm in Audacity right here, and let's say I would like to increase the volume of this audio track. All you'll need to do, once you're on the audio track, you will go over to the left hand menu option, and from here, all you'll need to do is simply pull the slider to the right, and with that you'll be able to increase the volume. Another thing that you could also do to increase the volume or bass is by simply going over to the top left hand corner. You could tap right where you see select, then tap on select all. Once you have selected all of the audio track, all you'll need to do now is tap on effect. Once you have tapped on effect, you'll select volume and compression. Then from there, you could tap on amplify. After you have tapped on amplify, you could use their preset amplification right here, or you could enter your own. Then you'll tap on apply, and with that you'll realize that your audio track, the volume has also been increased. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.